today. The title of tutorial 3, it is a 2-lamp controlled by 2-gang one-way switch. So in experiment or in tutorial number 1 and number 2, we are using 1-gang one-way switch. Now in tutorial number 3, we will using 2-gang. It composed of 2-gang, 2 one-way switch. Okay, 2-gang one-way switch. So meaning the title, it is composed of 2 lamps controlled by 2-gang one-way switch. What is the application of this? So considering that you have a multi-function room or big hall, and this side it composed of 10 parallel or 5 parallel connection connected in parallel, 5 lamps and another 5 lamps. You have a control in this side, one side controlled by this switch, and then another side it is controlled by another switch. So let us start doing the tutorial number 3, which is 2 lamps. The title is 2 lamps controlled by 2-gang one-way switch. Now what we are going to do, we will remove first the lamp for safety purposes. Then we will change the switch. Of course, the switch, we will change it. We will replace it and change for another switch. Okay. Now, so the wire of this, we will remove also the wire for this. So we connect it before in parallel. We will remove that wire, and then we just leave another. We will leave this wire, only one wire for this. So since the wire is not enough, so the size of this wire now, it's not enough. So we will remove and change it more long wire for this. So change this wire. Okay. So we will insert another wire from here going there. So as I told you before in the previous tutorial, by the way, you need to watch or perform the tutorial 1 and 2 before you will proceed to number 3, so that you will not confuse and you will understand the principle of this. So it is now the wire inserting from here, going up, and then going right side like this. Okay. So we will insert now this wire to this side. Okay. And then actually this is applicable for the function hall. If you have a function hall or a big commercial hall, big room, so you need this is usually applicable for that big room or multi-purpose hall. So we will cut now this wire. If you will notice from here, going down up to the switch. So I will cut now the wire from here. Then so later we will splice. So first procedure for this switch, there is a label here. So L, 1 and 1. So you will see that there is a label indication here. It is stated that both L, and then there is a 1 and 1. So it composed of 2L and the 1 and 1. So you will cut a small wire like this. So cut a small wire. So cut a small wire. So, and then splice both sides of this wire, small wire. So splice both sides like this. So connect this small wire to L, to single L like this. Connect to single L, then tight. Okay. Then another L, another line connection will be connected to this line also. So you need to identify where is this line, this line. Did you see? This line will be connected each other. This is the line. So connect together these two lines. You will connect together like this. Okay. So you will connect together. So open first the switch. So make sure you will open the switch and then connect together. So line and then with equivalent small wire. So like this. Okay. Then tight. Okay. Okay. Then this is now the number 1 line. So one line, you will connect it now here from number 1. Okay. From number 1, you will connect that line. Okay. Connect it with this line. And then another line will go to this side. So splice it again. This, you will splice it again and then insert. Okay. Again, I repeat, this switch is a 2-gang. The name of this switch is 2-gang one-way switch. 2-gang one-way switch. Okay, tight. Okay. I repeat, the function and objective of this lesson 3, it composed of 2 lamps controlled by 2-gang one-way switch. Considering this side, it composed of 5 lamps, and then this side is composed of other lamps. So if you will on this switch, this side will on, and then this side will be off. And if you will on both sides, it will be on also. So you will see what is the outcome of our lesson 3. So I will show you the function of this. So we will put now the lamp. So again, I repeat that from the line going to the line switch, and then the other line, it is going to another line also, and then the one equivalent going up, and then the one equivalent going to the right side. So we will turn on now the circuit. Let us see. So turn on. So from our supply, and then distribution board for safety purposes, and then we have now the switch. So considering this side, we will turn on this side. So, okay. So considering that this side, it is now here. Okay, we will off this side, and then we will on also. Okay, did you see? So we will on one switch. It is been on. So you just connect it parallel if you want more lamps for this side, and then another lamp also for this side. You will off also here, and then you will on also on this side. So even you will on together. So since you have a big room, it composed of 10 lamps, for example, and then you want to minimize the energy consumption, you just put this kind of connection so that you will save the consumption. So this side, I repeat, this side will be turned off, and then this side will be turned on. And then reverse, this side it is turned on, and then this side will be turned off. And even both sides, you will turn on both sides, no problem, because there is a functional or big dome or big room, so it is applicable for that. Again, this is Nelcam, giving you, always remember, keep safe and take care.